Hello everybody and welcome back to the Nurtec DieCast Ramp Racing Series. This is your Season 1 Race 5 lineup. Our first matchup is the 12 of Ryan Blaney, the 14 of Chase Briscoe, the 48 of Alex Bowman, and the 23 of Darrell Wallace Jr. Here they come. Race 5 is underway. Alex Bowman out into the lead early. Bubba Wallace hits the wall. Alex Bowman, no problem, he wraps it up early, and he will move on. Next up is the 4 of Kevin Harvick, the 41 of Cole Custer, the 9 of Chase Elliott, and the 21 of Matt DiBenedetto. Here they come. Oh no, Kevin Harvick gets the right front tire off the track. He's into the wall early. Matt DiBenedetto is getting turned by Chase Elliott. Hard hit into the wall. DiBenedetto is going to spin across the line. Kevin Harvick somehow gets second. Next up is the 53 of Joey Gase, the 8 of Tyler Reddick, the 00 of Quin Houff, and the 19 of Martin Truex Jr. Here they come. Reddick and Houff out front. Drag racing to the line, side by side. Reddick gets in the wall at the end, and a very close finish between the 8 and the 00. Here's our photo finish cam. Houff and Reddick looks like a dead heat. I thought Houff might have been in front, but we are going to redo the race with just the 8 and the 00. Alright, here they come. Houff and Reddick, they're side by side all the way up until the transition. Reddick had his nose out in front, but he puts it in the wall. Quin Houff is going to move on. Next up is the 88 of Matt Crafton, the 22 of Joey Logano, the 16 of AJ Allmendinger, and the 7 of Corey LaJoie. Here they come. Crafton gets his nose out front. Contact though, Crafton and Logano taking Allmendinger into the wall with them. That is going to be an easy win for Corey LaJoie. Next up is the 10 of Eric Almirola, the 99 of Daniel Suarez, the 43 of Eric Jones, and the 1 of Kurt Busch. Here they come. Suarez out to the early lead. He's going to get turned by Eric Jones. He's up on 2 wheels. Suarez spins across the line and keeps his streak alive. And wow, what a matchup this is. Next up, we have the 15 of James Davis and the 17 of Chris Buescher, the 77 of Justin Haley, and the 6 of Ryan Newman. Here they come. Davison and Newman out front. Newman now spinning into traffic. Everybody heading for the wall. Chris Buescher, a violent crash after the finish, and we have a photo finish. So here they come toward the wall. Chris Buescher, a violent impact. See right there, Newman has won the race by a fender, and Chris Buescher becomes the first NDRRS car to roll more than one time. He rolls over 1.5, comes to rest upside down after the finish. Next up, we have the 51 of Cody Ware, the 37 of Ryan Preece, the 20 of Christopher Bell, and the 24 of William Byron. Here they come. Ryan Preece gets his nose out front. Oh, he gets turned by Cody Ware. Ryan Preece heading for the wall. Christopher Bell heading for the wall. And did we just see Cody Ware win that race? You've got to be kidding me. Cody Ware just won a race. No. Okay, we're just going to pretend like that never happened. Next matchup, the 3 of Austin Dillon, the 33 of Austin Cindric, the 38 of Anthony Alfredo, and the 78 of BJ McLeod. Here they come. Alfredo's going to get dumped by Austin Cindric. Austin Cindric just dumping everybody. Alfredo's going to spin across the line. Austin Cindric really didn't get anything out of that. He finishes 4th. Next up is the 5 of Kyle Larson, the 42 of Ross Chastain, the 47 of Ricky Stenhouse Jr., and the 11 of Denny Hamlin. Here they come. Hamlin out to the early lead. Ross Chastain is getting turned by Kyle Larson. They're both spinning, and that's an easy win for Denny Hamlin. He will move on. Next up is the 18 of Kyle Busch, the 66 of Timmy Hill, and the 34 of Michael McDowell. Here they come. McDowell out to the early lead. Looks like he's going to keep it here. Yes, he does. Comes across the line after hitting the wall and flips as he comes across the carpet. Next up is the 96 of Ty Dillon, the 2 of Brad Keselowski, and the 52 of Josh Bilicki. Here they come. Bilicki Getting his nose out front, Dillon, here he comes now, Keselowski, everybody making contact. Dillon, though, is going to get the win. Alright, that does it for round number 1. A lot of new faces once again winning races and getting into round 2. I see you, Cody Ware. Starting off, it's the 7 of Corey LaJoie, the 38 of Anthony Alfredo, and the 96 of Dillon. Here they come. LaJoie has his nose out front. He gets into Alfredo. Alfredo spinning toward the wall. LaJoie in the wall and a vicious crash. LaJoie upside down. A photo finish at the line. So here comes LaJoie toward the wall, and he just gets projected off of Alfredo's right rear tire. He wins right there, upside down, and then flips even more coming across the line. What a violent incident here in race 5. Next up is the 99 of Daniel Suarez, the 6 of Ryan Newman, and the 48 of Alex Bowman. Here they come. Newman and Suarez neck and neck. Bowman in the mix as well. Here they come at the line. Too close to call for now. We're going to have to go to the photo finish cam. So here's the finish. The 99 by inches is going to win over the 6 car. Could this be the race for Daniel Suarez? He's been so close so many times. Could he finally eke out a win in race 5? Next up is the 00 of Quin Houff, the 11 of Denny Hamlin, and the 51 of Cody Ware. Here they come. Hamlin out front, and it looks like he's going to keep the win. Relatively easy victory for the 11 car. Next up is the 34 of Michael McDowell and the 21 of Matt DiBenedetto. Here they come. Neck and neck, 34 and 21. Contact made. DiBenedetto's going to overcorrect, and that'll give the win to the 34 of Michael McDowell. Alright, that does it for the second round. Here are the drivers that have advanced into the semifinals. Our first semifinal matchup is the 34 of Michael McDowell versus the 7 of Corey LaJoie. Here they come. LaJoie has his nose out front. He's loose, and he's going to slide it across the line. He will move on into the finals. Next up is the 99 of Daniel Suarez and the 11 of Denny Hamlin. Here they come. Hamlin out in front, and he is going to keep the victory. Hamlin is moving on. Suarez, once again, cannot reach the finals. And now, fighting for third place, it's the 34 of Michael McDowell and the 99 of Daniel Suarez. Here they come. It's a drag race to the line. Suarez is going to get out in front. Daniel Suarez finally gets the 99 car back onto the podium. Here it is, the championship race, LaJoie versus Hamlin. Who will come out on top in race 5? Here they come. LaJoie turns left into Hamlin. Hard crash. LaJoie spinning across the line. He will take round number 1. Here they come. LaJoie by about a half a car length. On top of Denny Hamlin. Now the lead extends to a car length. LaJoie in the wall, spinning across the line. He is going to win. Corey LaJoie is your newest champion.